Today, we're diving into a new playbook, one that's designed for all you professionals out there on the front lines of change. In this age of AI, it's all about turning what feels like a major disruption into your most powerful tool.
And listen, this isn't just some random guide. It's the official textbook from improvingperformance.com for the new AI-powered Change Managers certification. So you know right off the bat, this is a serious professional framework.
So let's just start with the one question that is on everybody's mind, right? What if AI wasn't this big threat to your job, but was actually a force multiplier? What if it could take your expertise and just amplify it instead of making it obsolete?
All right, so here's the game plan. We're going to walk through this new playbook together. We'll check out some AI skills in action. We'll talk about why your human judgment is more important than ever, and we'll see what it really means to be an AI-powered professional.
So how do you actually make AI your strategic partner? Well, the answer starts right here with the Change Managers AI Playbook. What really sets this playbook apart is its approach. I mean, it completely skips the high-level abstract theory you probably already know. Instead, it gets right down to business, giving you a hands-on guide for putting AI to work in your day-to-day job leading change. So what's actually inside? Well, it's a powerhouse of tools you can use immediately. We're talking over 250 ready-to-go prompts, guides to build your very own AI assistants, and techniques to automate everything from creating videos to generating executive dashboards. And the best part? It's totally tool agnostic. So these skills work whether you're using ChatGPT, Copilot, Gemini, you name it. Okay, that all sounds great, but how do these ideas actually build a powerful new capability for you? It's one thing to talk about it, so let's see what this looks like in practice. It all starts with a little shift in your mindset. See, you're not just a person using AI. You become the orchestrator, the conductor of a whole team of digital assistants, each one designed for a very specific job.
For instance, you can build a custom AI agent, kind of like this reporting assistant you see here. It's pretty straightforward. You just feed it your project documents, your plans, your data, your scorecards, and you create a specialized expert that actually understands the unique context of your project.
And the whole point of this? To completely automate your executive reporting. I mean, think about it. Instead of spending hours and hours pulling data and building slide decks, your assistant does it for you. That gives you all that time back to focus on strategy and, people. And boom, this is the end result. Your AI assistant takes all of that project data and generates a clean, executive-ready dashboard, just like this one. It automatically surfaces the key insights, tracks your adoption milestones, and it even flags risks for you, all in real time. But this level of automation brings up a really critical point. In a world where you have AI assistants, your most valuable skill isn't writing the perfect prompt. It's your professional judgment. The core philosophy of this whole thing is captured perfectly in this quote. AI is a tool, a powerful one, that elevates what you do. But at the end of the day, you, the human professional, are still 100% accountable for the quality and integrity of the final product. So how do you maintain that accountability? You do it with a practice called zero trust validation. It basically means you never, ever blindly trust what an AI generates. Instead, you critically evaluate everything it gives you, looking for those weird hallucinations, generic answers, or subtle errors in meaning. Here's a perfect example of that. A generic AI might spit out a suggestion like, engage your stakeholders with the town hall. Fine. But a professional, using their own expertise and this zero trust validation method, would take it way further. They'd use AI to analyze the survey data and realize, what we actually need are targeted listening circles for this specific skeptical team. Now that's the difference between using AI as a gimmick versus a true strategic partner. When you combine these practical AI skills with that critical human judgment, you're not just creating a new way of working, you're actually building a brand new career pathway. And don't forget, this playbook is the official textbook for that new AI-powered Change Managers certification, which takes all these skills and formalizes them into a recognized professional qualification. And what's really crucial here is that these aren't just some random skills pulled out of thin air. They are mapped directly to the Skills Framework for the Information Age, or SFIA. That's a globally recognized standard. This means what you're learning is benchmarked against international best practices for things like digital enablement and innovation. So, after seeing what's possible, the question really becomes, are you ready to make this shift? Are you ready to truly multiply your impact? If the answer is yes, then this playbook is the perfect place to start. You can scan the code on the screen to get access to the Reader's Portal. It's got a bunch of bonus materials, and you can grab your copy right now on Amazon. We'll leave you with this one last thought. The future of your work isn't about being replaced by AI. It's about leading a team of AI assistants that amplify your expertise. The only question left is, are you ready to be their leader?